Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace, how to locate the airbag module on a Scion FR-S or a Subaru BRZ, which is basically the same car. You get the same car, okay, so a different batch. But stay with us, we'll show you how to remove it. We'll send ours to get reset. We have more videos, way more videos on our main channel, guys. Check it out, it's growing crazy fast. So check it out, we have our build, the Scion there, and also a Fiesta ST that we're building. So what we're going to do now, guys, right there, we need to remove that plastic cover. And it's a complicated deal to remove that airbag module. A little bit more complicated than it should be, to be honest with you. Okay, we're going to remove that one now. What the problem is, the airbag module is located right there, underneath that thing. Okay guys, right now we need to remove that trim piece there too. You don't have to actually remove the one on the side, but we just recommend doing it the right way. Okay, because you don't want to accidentally damage it or anything like that. I don't know, we just always do a little bit more work. And now you can see that's the radio unit right here that we need to remove. So in order to remove the radio unit now, you just need to use a 10mm. Okay, let me turn light on. And you have four bolts that you need to remove, and the unit should come out of there. Okay, we remove 2, 3 now, and the last one right there. Okay, and now the radio should come out of there, guys. Okay, let's see if it's going to come out of there. Okay, now all we got is all the wires. Let's unhook some wires now. So what you need to do, just press down and pull them. Pretty simple. Okay, one there as well. Okay, it's a little bit limited room, so this one is definitely giving us some hard time. Okay, right there. And now the antenna, which those are always tricky somehow. Okay, let's see, we need to press this thing down now. Okay, and pull it out. What do we need to do first? We need to remove that bottom piece with a prying tool. You can get it out, and you have the wire there. Okay, you have the wire for the USB, and you can actually see the airbag module right there, that yellow thing. So that's how you remove it. You can see the clips on this one, 3 clips on top, 3 on bottom. So, and it's pretty tight. So guys, now you need to probably remove the center console. We've seen that done in the past, and the heater control and everything, but with the radio out of there and that little piece out of there, we can actually do it that way. Okay, let me turn light on. That's the airbag module. There is 1 bolt and 2 nuts. The bolt is located right here, so you can get this one. The nuts, with an extension, you can reach them from top. Okay, like that. It's hard to show you, okay, but that's where one of the nuts is. You can see, and the other one is on the other side, right there. So now we'll just try to remove it that way, without removing the center console and all that kind of stuff, and the heater control, which could be pretty time consuming and some extra work, but some people prefer to do it that way. Okay, we got it loose, and when we get it loose, it's gonna go by hand in a little bit. Okay, to put something there so we don't scratch it with the ratchet. Always have to be careful. Okay, got the bolt out. That's what it looks like, pretty long. Now we have the 2 nuts that we will reach from the top. And the bolt, let me show you what size the bolt is. Okay, right here, 12mm. That's what it is. And now we will try to remove the nuts from the top. see if it's going to work, or we will have to disassemble more. We have a video how to do the airbag on the steering wheel as well, guys. Many videos on that Scion, since it will be one of the main builds on our channel, World Mechanics. Okay, right there, that's the nut. You can see it has thread lock on those, so you always have to apply some. And we need to do the other one as well. You can see it right there. So we should have two nuts and one bolt. That's how most of the airbag modules are, or either 3 nuts. Okay, actually it worked. We got it through the radio hole right there. Okay, that's the connector right here. So you need to push that white piece to the side, and you just pull the connector out. And that's the airbag module out of the 2013 Scion FR-S, which is, it even has the Subaru. You can see the Subaru emblem on it. Yep, right there. So we'll have this one reset now. So that's how you remove the airbag module, guys. Thank you for watching. More videos coming soon. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.